Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
And we get started on 24-hour temperature cast. Yesterday was all red bars with so many hours up over 95. The computers want to bring those temperatures down a lot faster and farther than I do. I still think we're going to find a lot of numbers up over 95 today, maybe up near 97. The record for today, 99, and we had 99 for many hours yesterday afternoon, and I don't see enough changing up there to really drop the temperatures a bunch. Hopefully a little less hot today and for a little less long, but we are still talking another hot one because we expect few showers out there, and this time of year it's all about the showers to help calm some of that heat down. Now, I don't see a lot of activity out there right now. You can see the main flow bringing everything from the top of the screen to the bottom, so we still have that north wind. When we've got that north wind, maybe even a little northeast, it makes it really hard for the sea breeze, which comes in from the south and west, to generate those showers, and the sea breeze is the main afternoon trigger to get those showers for us this time of year. So when that sea breeze gets pinned and it doesn't make it so far inland, makes it real hard for everybody to get some of those cooling benefits, and that's why we end up with that long duration hot, I like to call it. We're starting at 77 this morning in Tallahassee. It's 74 in Valdosta. It's 72 in Thomasville, so it's warm out there. Those dew points are still up over 70. It's still muggy. Maybe not as icky, sticky, gross out there as maybe some of the mornings we had like over the weekend or on Monday. Now, as far as the temperatures around the region go, they're mostly in those middle 70s. Blakely's the cool spot at 70, like always, and Apalachicola almost always the warm spot at 79 this morning. Now, that breeze today is not going to be windy or anything, but there is enough of it from the north and northeast where it's going to have an impact on that sea breeze, and I think that's one of the main factors in why the shower chances remain so low. I don't see a lot of fog out there. Visibility is restricted in Homerville down to about a half mile, but we've got slightly drier air, and we do have that breeze to help stir things up. The big heat, again, by the way, is well to our west, from Louisiana through Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. For us, we're just on the periphery of that bubble of high pressure that's really helping to generate that big heat. Now, what will happen over the next couple of days is a little weak boundary to our north finally fizzles out. The more humid air starts to surge back to the north, and I do think we start to change our wind direction, which should be able to help get us some of those needed showers, especially in the afternoons. I'm still waiting to see if some of that energy, some of the longer term computers are hinting at, can actually hold together by the weekend and maybe give us a little more of an enhanced chance for some showers. For today, I don't love the chances for showers. I still feel like it's going to be more east and south than across the region, but hopefully we'll cook up at least enough cloud cover to prevent temperatures from being as hot for as long as it was yesterday. Now, the tropics showing some life at times this past week or so, looking a little less alive today. We're down to just one piece of energy, and it don't look like much anymore. This is that same one that we started watching come off the coast of Africa beginning of last week. It's now really running into some trouble out there. We'll see if it can hold together. It's down to maybe like a 10% chance for any development over the next week or so. We'll continue to watch there. There is nothing in the Gulf or the Caribbean, and that's where we like it to stay. On the Gulf today, winds start north and maybe start turning towards the northeast. 5 to 12, seas 2 feet or less, so a continuation of those light winds with that dome of high pressure overhead, and that means good news for the boaters, just hot, and it limits our inland showers. 70s early, 90s later, likely middle and upper 90s, and probably for many hours. Hazy sunshine, hot, and still humid, maybe not like it was Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but still enough where you notice it. Mid-70s tonight, we'll call it muggy with mostly clear skies. I do think that humidity starts to creep back a bit more tomorrow, and it starts to creep up even more Friday and Saturday as we start to change the flow a little bit, and that should give us better chances for those afternoon showers and thunderstorms, and hopefully that means we can calm down some of the heat.